kind of the cool thing about this season is we really had the opportunity to get out and do kind of some different opportunities, and one of those things was just to get out and do a little bit more duck hunting. In the past years, we just put so much time and energy in September and the beginning part of October into our deer hunts that we really haven't focused much on waterfowl. I was really blessed to have the opportunity to kind of go out on my own, kind of do my own thing. Not only that, just help others out. With that came the opportunity to kind of take another group of guys out that just really wanted to get out and maybe didn't want to buy the full setup. And you know, it was cool just to learn about why these guys want. And the migration in 2020 was just phenomenal. So we had a lot of fun. Kind of took the focus a little less off of the awesomeness of filming, and what we really love to do is just go out there and meet new people, get out there and share our stories.
Everyone has a story. For us, it's no different. We are like-minded average guys with an above-average passion to go anywhere and try everything. We don't chase trophies, we chase the experience, and we chase for the stories. These are our stories.
Monte. Monte. Oh, nice. My gun is shooting. I'm supposed to go. Holy piano. My first shell didn't shoot, but
he's dead.
That one. Yeah. Hey, get that. I got an eye on him.
Don't miss a minute of the action. Follow us on our social media today. pretty sick of these 4 a.m. wake-up calls. But boys down here said he's seen 300 ducks. Minimum 300 ducks. So Maynard and I are going to get on a little trip today. Head into the greater Corsica-Stickney area. Gonna hunt some ducks. Then go out for the inaugural pheasant shoot for 2020. A South Dakota tradition for Maynard and I. Hunt some ducks and then go try to get some roosters. So it'll be a good day. About 35 out now, and we're 1 mile from the field here. So let's get set up.
Sun is shining and I feel so good. People smiling in the neighborhood. Think I'm gonna take my darling out, 'cause it's a good day for it. A good day for it. Sun is shining and I feel so good. People smiling in the neighborhood. Think I'm gonna take my darling out, 'cause it's a good day for it. A good day for it. I'm more than what the others say.
Oh, that's a pretty one.
Happiness will be my friend today. Think I'm gonna take my darling out, 'cause it's a good day for it. Good day for it. It's a good day for it. Woo! It's a good day. Oh, sun is shining and I feel so good. People smiling in the neighborhood. Think I'm gonna take my darling out, 'cause it's a good day for it. A good day for it. It's a good day for it.
Judo! No way. Take him.
Watch that one. The right,
Yeah,
the left
watch
one.
that one in the just got it set up. Never been able to hunt it before. Usually cattle out here, and there's corn in the manure. They love it. It's probably got 1,000 ducks on it, a few hundred specks, a couple Canadas.
Yeah, we found this field last night, and me and Taylor talked, and we figured we'd put out a lot of decoys just to be sure they come in.
Should be set. Go kill them.
Scout Stories would like to thank these proud sponsors.
Yeah, we fell in this field last night, and me and Taylor talked, and we figured we'd put out a lot of decoys just to be sure they come in.
We should be set. Let's go kill them.
Let this one land. Let him circle again, let him circle. Starting at 5, man. Shoot up! Yeah! They got some! Good shooting! Yeah! Alright, that just makes got them too.
Fetch! Is that the green way up there or not?
blew him up.